One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this glove box right here. If you were to look right underneath, you're going to see 4 mounting bolts. I'm going to remove those. Grab your glove box, be careful because it might want to fall down. Grab those sides, pull it right out. At this point, you have a clear view of where your blower motor resistor is. I'm going to grab onto this little button, squeeze it, and then draw this down. I always take a peek inside, make sure I don't see any funny colors. This one actually looks really good, so I'm going to continue on by removing the 2 mounting bolts using an 8mm. There it is. Awesome. Let's get ready to install our new resistor. Should slide right in. We've got our 2 screws. Now I'm going to carefully tighten these up just till they bottom out. Okay, they're both bottomed out. Just going to give them a teeny bit more. There it is. Grab that wiring harness, click it in, give it a tug. Now you would just test your blower motor, make sure it works on all speeds. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's get our glove box back in here. Start with one side, put up the other side. I'm just going to latch it in. That's going to hold it for me. Now we can come like this. We're going to screw in all of our mounting screws down along here. Snug them up.